not a New Yam festival. It is to mark the killing of our Lord Jesus Christ, Manuel.
Hey. Onwere mara ma afụzi nke ikpeazụ a. Onwere nanube. Unu ofu na ndị ojii efulugo ntutu ụta a ga-atọ n'ule Christianity ka onye mkpali amụ ya na ihe ọchị. And ọ dịghọ mma. Ọ dịghọ mma. Anyị na-atọ nụzi everything na to drama. Everything na bụzi comedy to us. Ka hapụ iji ọnụ m wee kwuo ihe mfụrụ. Watch an video anụ akụnụ were ọnụ unu ma ntị unu wee gelu. Unu ofu ihe mmadụ ji ọnụ ya wee na-ekwu. My God.
Not a New Yam festival. It is to mark the killing of our Lord Jesus Christ, Manuel. He was crucified right here in Owerri, where? At Ugwekwe Marug. Ekwe Oma Aru Ogo, the skull shrine of the abomination of the district. But the mistransliteration led to Ekwe Marugo. But Ekwe, skull, Oma, temple, Aru Ogo, the skull shrine of the abomination of the district. So to mark that crucifixion, the leaders from time immemorial, who were the people who led his crucifixion, right here, mark it and remember it in an annual celebration to mark this sorrow of the crucifixion of the person Owerri called Manuelu. Manuelu is somebody that came from above, which you call in English Emmanuel. Now, what had happened here was that at about the time Christ was born, right here in Owerri, and he was called Manuel, the leaders, his own people, did not trust what he was saying, that he was the Son of God. Well, they said, well, we know you walk with your father. The father was called Onyo Jesu Joseph. And they had a shop on this Ekonwa Street here. You call it Ekonwa Street, but the correct thing is Eke Ono Wa Osisi. Eke Ono Wa Osisi. The marketplace, the Eke marketplace where he split wood, because he had a shop at the junction of Ekonwa and Ihenacho Street. That whole area is called Orubunjamanze. That's what it's called. Orubunjamanze, that thing is not correctly called, is...
You ask anybody, the name America is an Igbo name. America is an Igbo name. The real meaning is Emerigomunka. Ask anybody, the founder of America is a black. No matter what is taking place today. And that will take us back. You, the English people, said civilization started in Africa. Yes, it started here.